In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SQLite database with Replit. By the end, you'll know how to start a fresh project in Replit, open the built-in development database, and view your SQL data, all without any extra setup. This approach is perfect for quick prototypes, demos, or learning SQL in a safe, contained environment. Start by heading to Replit in your browser and land on the dashboard. From there, look along the left-hand side of the interface. You'll see an option labeled Import Code or Design. Go ahead and click that. Even though it mentions importing, it also gives you a fast way to spin up a clean workspace, which is exactly what we want. On the next screen, choose the Empty option. This tells Replit you don't need a pre-built template, you want a blank slate. Then click Create Empty Project. If you want, you can rename the project here for clarity, but a default name works fine too. In a moment, Replit will open your new workspace with the editor and tools ready to go. At the top of the workspace, find the Tools and Files menu. Click it to reveal the available utilities for this project. Among those tools, select Database. This opens Replit's database panel, which is designed to make working with data straightforward even if you're just getting started. Inside the database panel, choose Development Database. This is a local SQLite-backed database scoped to your project. It's great for development because it's quick, requires no external setup, and keeps everything self-contained in your repo. Keep in mind that this environment is for building and testing. For production apps, you'd typically graduate to a managed database service, but this is ideal for learning and prototyping. Next, click My Data. This view is where you can see the SQL data associated with your development database. If this is a brand new project, it's normal for the view to be empty at first. No tables will appear until you create them. From here, you can inspect the schema, browse tables once they exist, and verify that inserts and updates are working as expected. If you don't see data right away, that simply means you haven't created any tables yet through your code or the query interface. That's all there is to it. You created an empty project, opened the database tool, selected the development database, and navigated to My Data to view what's inside. As you continue building, remember that changes persist with your project, and you can return to this panel anytime to check your tables and records. Thanks for watching, and happy building!